Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be pushing the Mustang out and doing some stuff outside. Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Today we'll be doing stuff inside the garage. So I'm not entirely sure what I want to work on today, but I do have these, and these are completely done. I just have to remember how these go in. Does it go like that? I don't think it does. I think it goes like this. There we go. Let's go in there somewhere. Perfect. There's still some rust in there that I'm gonna have to touch up manually. I'm gonna spray some of that rust that's left in there with some rust reformer, but not today, because I'm trapped in here and it's pouring, so I don't really want to breathe that in. I also want to once again shout out the 8-9 Garage. When I had no idea where these things went, I asked on this channel and he sent me pictures from his vehicle. So I really appreciate the help. If you're doing a job like this, having extra ones of these clamps, highly recommend it. I bought this a little while ago. A couple months back, I bought this. I thought I had bought the right one, but then I changed my master cylinder, so I might need, this won't work for because you need 3 for that left front brake. So once again, to LMR we go. All right. So you'll see this one has a 2-into-1. Let's see if we can get this to work. More armrest plugs. This is a Motorcraft stock replacement gas cap. What is this? I actually ordered this a while ago, so I have to admit I don't really know what this is. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a dead pedal. Once again, my car was an automatic, so it never had a dead pedal. Is this a bad idea to have stainless steel right here? Like, am I gonna like have a static shock and then set off an explosion? Let me know and I'll change it. I believe this is going to go. What? Tell me I bought the wrong ones again. I think this is the wrong thread. What the hell did I buy? How would these have ever worked? What on earth did I buy here? Like, I don't even understand how this would have worked in here. What did I even, like, what? Oh, this must have gone into the sides. Does this side at least fit? Okay, so this side I would at least say fits. sticks out like super far. All right, so mine is tightening. That all seems to work, except for this front port over here. This is just the complete wrong thread for this. But this all works. I don't know about this sticking out this far. That might have to get bent inwards a little bit. All right, let's put a pin in this. So I discovered that the other one, with a little bit of adjusting, does seem to properly fit up in here, and I can probably bend this into position here. So I'm gonna try that. This will stick out a little bit, but maybe we can flatten it out a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. Out of the way. Alright. Y'all, these brakes are fully hooked up. This is a little ratchet, but you know what? I'm not mad at it. Now, if only I had bench bled this before I put this on. Are you kidding me? Come on. Nope, go good. Slow going. Well, while I have you here, I would just like to explain why it's taking me so long to get a motor for this. I had some stuff going on at the house, which culminated in acquiring a new air conditioning compressor in the house. As you know, I have Huskies. Don't really thrive in 90-degree weather. My engine savings took a bit of a hit, but don't worry, we'll get there. We'll get there. There's a lot more we can do in the meantime while I start saving more money. Okay, I f***ed up. I did buy the right one. If you notice, green to red, and it's the right shape. This is the problem you get when you order parts 6 to 8 months in advance. Oh, that's what fell off. Okay. Yeah. So this is the right kit for this. Not that it's not gonna. I mean, everything works here, so it's fine. But, my bad. Alright, I lost the speed clip for this, and I mean, I know I have it, but I'm just really sick and tired of looking for it, so we're just gonna put a bolt through. Yeah, this will be a pain in the ass if I ever have to take it out again, but nice and tight. Don't let anybody tell you you have to use speed clips. Alright, I might not be putting this whole thing together yet because it might make it a little difficult to, but I do want to put this part of the temporary steering wheel on. Just a second shout out to the 89 Garage for giving me the bolts for this. It threads in perfectly, as you can see. I'm not going to put the whole steering wheel on again because I still want to get the to put the dashboard back on. It'll be easier without the wheel. Okay. This is for this wheel. Yikes. So this is for this wheel, which is like an aftermarket one, and it's temporary. I'm not going to leave this one on, but to move the car around and stuff, we need something. So that's what this is for. All right, well, I was working on that and then the power went out. So I'm running on the generator right now. I'm also not feeling too great, so I'm just gonna kind of just end this one here. But I did wanna mention that, I don't know if you noticed in the last Mustang video, there's a new merch store. You can get the Sleazy's Garage logo on a bunch of cool things, and we're gonna start adding some more logos as we go. For instance, check out this really cool flex fit hat. I don't know if you noticed, but I have kind of a weirdly shaped head. So this doesn't really fit me too well, but it's not bad. I typically cut out the backing on these, but I think I might leave it. I kind of like the way that looks. Let me know. Anyway, so for a limited time, there will be a 15% discount right after we've launched the store. Yeah, so check out the store. Let me know what you think. We're gonna do some interesting logos coming up. I hope you can find something that you like. Yeah, so we didn't make too much progress today, but put a couple parts back on the car, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, so let me know if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. These things are great, other than the fact that they really don't line up. And lo and behold, I fucked up again. Look how nice that looks. Ooh, nice.